So here's this email message from Kaylee, right? And let's say that I feel perhaps maybe Kaylee is a little fishy. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let's say that this message from Kaylee, I think, might actually have not come from her, and it may be a phishing attack from somebody outside the organization who's faking it. There's some telltale signs that can help you see that. See, we have banners that show up in any message that comes in from outside the organization. See how it says external sender right here? See that?
Mm-hmm.
So that's a policy that we set up inside Outlook or inside Office 365. Any messages that are coming from outside your company have that tag on it. If you use our Office 365 full service managed solution, we add this on there for you. And this helps you identify, because what if this didn't say, this wasn't like a Uverse message? What if it said it came from you because they spoofed the message from you?
Right.
Right, Kaylee? So if they spoofed the message from you, it would look like it came from you, but it's still going to have the sender. They can't not make that happen. So that's the first tip. You're like, oh, okay.
Nice try.
This is saying it's coming from Kaylee, but it says external sender. So there's no way it's really coming from her.
Right, exactly.
So that's important. So pay attention to that. Now in this situation, you don't see that. So I feel a lot more comfortable that I know it actually came from Kaylee. So as you start to educate yourself about looking at spam, you start to realize there are scenarios that can help you feel a lot more at ease about how to do that.
Yes, and it can be difficult as well if you find yourself constantly going to email people outside of your organization and you do see that external bar all the time, right? And you start getting used to it because you do send emails. But I would definitely advise you to continue that cautious look towards it just in case, because it's always better to be safe than sorry, for sure. So, are you going to talk about any more about the deleted folder, or should we go to the next topic?
Well, I just want to talk about the spam aspect of reporting this message, for example.
Yeah.
So like this message right here, you can, because it's not my inbox, it's not showing up. That's why. So right here, see where I have report phishing option?
Yeah.
So the report
the
phishing,
sign.
Yeah, this report phishing option on the message, like this Uverse one that I had, is really helpful for those clients that have full service with us and they have Office 365 through us, and we have our security products on there. We add this anti-phishing button on there for the client. What that does is it will create these beautiful banners across the email message to give them a heads up that it'll say, we know Kaylee and we know Kaylee's in your organization, but this message did not originate from Kaylee. It came from outside the organization. You should be very careful about this message. I mean, a big red banner comes across there. And it may look and feel like it came from you, but it'll suss it out like nobody's business. And then also, if you see that happening, you can then also report it. So then you confirm that, and it will go in and remove that out of everybody's inbox. So if other people got that message, it will help save not only you, but others.
You're a superhero.
Yeah, you're a superhero.